Yep. Happy New Year and good morning to all of you. Let's start. Today I will take your English text class and the chapter is, you can see, Sundari, and the reading of the chapter has already completed, and today I will do some spellings from here and also some spellings from here and also the question answers, means the exercise part. Okay. I know some meanings and spellings has also been discussed, and today I will give you some more spellings so that you can practice it at your home. Okay. So, all of you take out your copies and write the spellings. Page number 80. Page number 80. Okay, all of you take out your copy and write these spellings. First one is fair, F-A-I-R, fair. Second one is band, B-A-N-D, band. Third one is tune, T-U-N-E, tune. Fourth one is wooden. Fifth one is space. Sixth one is grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Seventh one is string, and eighth one is wind. Okay. So, write these 8 spellings from here and write it down fast. I will do your the exercise part. Okay. Number 1, fair, F-A-I-R, fair. Number 2, band, B-A-N-D, band. Number 3, tune, T-U-N-E, tune. Number 4, wooden, W-O-O-D-E-N, wooden. Number 5, space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Number 6, grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Number 7, string, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. And number 8, wind, W-I-N-D. Okay. So, written all of you, completed? Will I erase and I will do the exercises? Let me know. Only these 8 spellings. Okay, so I am erasing now. Now turn to page number 82. You can see the reading is fun over there. Reading is fun. There are 4 questions. Let's do the question and answers. First one. All of you write it in your copy. Who made Sundari? We all know that Bobby made Sundari. Number 2, why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? We will write it like Bobby called his kite Sundari because it was beautiful. Yes, it was beautiful. Bobby called his kite Sundari beautiful because it was beautiful. Number 3. Did Sundari fly very high at first? We all know that no. Yes. All of you write it in your copy. Yeah, all of you write it. Did Sundari fly very high at first? We all know that no, Sundari did not fly. Very high at first. We all know that no, Sundari did not fly very high at first. Okay, all of you completed? Yes, no, Sundari did not fly very high at first. All of you completed? I will erase number 1 and 2. Only number 1 and 2 I will erase, then I will write number 4. Number 1, who made Sundari? We all know that Bobby made Sundari. Number 2, why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Bobby called his kite Sundari because it was beautiful. Number 3, did Sundari fly very high at first? No, Sundari did not fly very high at first. Okay, so I am erasing number 1 and 2, then I will write number 4. All of you let me know, will I erase number 1 and 2? All of you let me know. Okay. Then I am erasing number 1 and 2. Number 4. What made Sundari really happy? What made Sundari really happy? Sundari was very happy when she was able to when when she was able to fly high in the sky, fly high in the sky, fly high in the sky on her own. So, you will write the answer like, Sundari was very happy when she was able to fly high in the sky on her own. Okay? So, number 4 is, what made Sundari really happy? The answer we will write it like, Sundari was very happy when she was able to fly high in the sky on her own. Okay? Now come to the let's talk part. These are I will discuss. The let's talk part, you can see 2 questions. Do you like to fly kites? You will write it on your own. Do you like to fly kites? Yes or no? You will write it. Number 2, who helps you to fly kites? Who helps you to fly kites? This is also you will try to do it. Who helps you? Your brother, your father or your uncle, whoever, your mother or your sister, whoever helps you to fly your kite, you will write that. Okay. Now come to the let's share part. In let's share part, you can see there it is told, tick the objects you need to fly a kite and color the kite. You can see over there a bear kite, you will color that at your home. Okay. And the things you will need to fly a kite, let's see, stick. First one is stick. Do you need to fly a kite? A stick? Yes, somehow we need a stick to fly a kite. So, we will tick the stick. Then is roller. Roller is obviously you need to fly a kite. So, roller is also will be a tick one. Glue. Glue is needed, not that much. Pair of scissors is also not needed. Basket. Basket is also not needed. Paper is also not needed. Ball is obviously not needed. So, the things you need to fly a kite are stick and roller. Okay. So, these 2 things you will tick that. Okay. And now come to page number 83. Page number 83 you can see some dotted lines. You will just mark, trace the line and join the lines with a pencil and write it. Okay. So, you will join the dotted lines and write it. You will also do page number 83 at your home. Now come to page number 84. In page number 84, there you can see 4 pictures over there. So, you need to write a story. You can write a story with the 4 picture, and the more important part, now come to page number 85. In page number 85, you can see that in page number 85 you can see at the beginning of the page, there are 6 lines, and these 6 lines are related to the pictures from the previous page, that is page number 84. So, the 6 lines you can see that are related to the previous page story pictures. So, we need to, but these lines are not arranged properly. These lines are not arranged properly. We need to arrange these lines and make a story with it. Okay. And the story you can see related to the pictures. So, you can do that. And the lines are, let me read the lines. First line is a wind blows. Second line, it is raining. Third line, the crow flies away with the umbrella. Fourth line, the girl has an umbrella. Fifth line, the umbrella is now a nest. And the last line, the umbrella hangs from a tree. Okay. These 6 lines related to the previous page pictures, but these lines are not arranged properly. So, we need to arrange the lines properly, and then it will be a beautiful story. Okay. This what you will also try to do at your home, and this particular homework I will discuss in your offline class. Okay. This particular homework I will discuss in your offline class, and up to that till then you try to do at your home. These 6 lines you need to arrange the 6 lines and make a story. You can take help from the pictures Okay, and this particular homework I will discuss in your offline class. And at the same page, means the page number 85 also, you can see some of the words that are dotted words. You need to again join the dotted dots and make a word. You again need to join the dots and make a word. This is also I will not discuss, this is also you can do at your home because this is in your book. Okay, and the story part I have seen the 6 lines, that's what I will discuss in your offline class. Okay, and up to then you try to do that at your home. Okay, so remember this. Now, have you completed number 4? Now I will take your present. All of you write your present in the chat box. Yeah, all of you write your present in the chat box, and no one will leave the class until I complete it, or else you will be absent. Okay? No one will leave. Okay, I have taken your present and the time is up also. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.